Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front-facing camera of Honor 10i smartphone. It comes with 32 megapixel front-facing camera capable of recording 1080p Full HD resolution videos. So I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use this phone, so how good or bad will be the quality. And talking about the features, for the video recording we got time-lapse and beautification. If you use beautification for recording videos, then video resolution will be reduced to 720p HD only. And if you're talking about the pictures from the front-facing camera, then you got lots of options, like the device is capable of recognizing scenes, objects, etc. using the AI scene detection mode. There is portrait mode where you can use different kind of lightings, beautification, some bokeh effects, and then what we got here is front-facing flash as well. And then there is the option to add some stickers on your image from the images from the front-facing camera. And after that, what we got is the moving picture. So as you know about the moving picture, that it will capture a few seconds of videos just before the image is captured. So these are the features we got on Honor 10i front-facing camera. I'm just trying to give you once again a quick idea that how nice it's going to be today. It's a cloudy day, so HDR is really needed, as you can see here. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because a full camera review as well of Honor 10i will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.